Hello, everyone. I hope that you are all being safe by staying at home during this critical period. Speaking of which, also us in Riverbed, we have been instructed to work from home just to be safe. Working from home is great because if you are able to finish your work on time, then you will have the remaining time of the day to spend it with the family. Now, of course, to be able to do that, you need the systems and the technology to cope with your speed, to be able to finish as early as possible. Now, working at home with the kids, doing the distance learning and all the other users at home. So the shared connectivity that is provided to us from the ISP sometimes would drop dramatically, especially that this shared connectivity is not only shared among your house, it's also shared among the neighbors next to you. So basically, I want to show you how Riverbed will be able to provide you the help. If I check now the connectivity that I have here in my house, I can see that the speed of the connectivity that is provided from my ISP is around 50 megabit per second, give and take, of course. Now, this speed is good now because, the kids are having their lunch break and the school days are almost over. A lot of organization here in the UAE, they finish work at 2. So, and to summarize it, we can see that the average download speed is 52, while the average upload is 21 megabit per second. Now it's good, but like many companies, whenever we want to connect to our servers, we are supposed to use a VPN connection. So I'm going to go ahead and try to log into our VPN to be able to access my corporate servers. I'm going to speed up the video here a little bit. All right. Okay. So my VPN now is connected. Now I'm going to go ahead and do the same test again, knowing that any VPN connectivity will require considerable bandwidth. So this means that the 50 megabit per second that I currently have from my ISP would be dramatically impacted because of the VPN connection, especially for the multinational companies that are connecting to a VPN portal that is outside of the UAE. So as you can see here, my download speed has dropped from 50 megabit per second to 15, and my upload speed is still okay. It's around 20 megabit per second, give and take. So it has really been impacted dramatically. So with Riverbed, what we can provide is the Riverbed Client Accelerator, or also called the Steelhead Mobile. So I have the agent installed on my machine, but I disabled it to be able to show you the before and after effect. So I'm going to go ahead now and turn the optimization service on. So now my optimization service is up and running. Without even closing the window, I'm going to redo the same test. Remember these values, the download is at 15 and the upload is at 20. So I'm going to go ahead and do that same test one more time. So as you can see, the download speed that I was able to achieve because of the Riverbed Client Accelerator has actually exceeded the speed given to me by the ISP. So of course you might say, how is it doing that? It's doing that by simply enlarging and maximizing the usage of each and every packet going out of this house. And basically my experience would have a dramatic impact. You can actually open the dashboard here and see what it is doing. So you can see that the client accelerator is actually reducing the data by 65%. Of course, when you have less data to be transmitted, then this whole experience is going to be improved dramatically. During this period, Riverbed is providing our customers 90 days free trial license for up to 500 users that you can benefit from. So please get in touch with me on the numbers shown below. Thank you for watching.